Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal, a pre-recorded episode going to air this Monday. I will be traveling on this Monday, and so John and I are out here doing a pre-recorded an episode where we're going to show you a new consignment coach 1038, a beautiful XL2 double slide. Pretty excited to show it to you because there's some really cool features about this coach. Let's go take a look. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Me personally, it's Friday when we're recording this, so I've had a good week. Oh, you know what? One of the things I want to show you, this is kind of a prelude to what this coach is all about. Take a look at that carpet. Looks barely used. Look at how nice that is on this slide out. Isn't that something? That is just in great condition. I'm gonna push it back in here, but this coach was a custom coach and it's got some custom colors. So John and I are gonna go inside. You can get a good shot of the outside, John, while we're out here. Beautiful. Lots of periwinkle in this coach. Let's go check it out. I'll go in first, I guess. So if purple or periwinkle is your color, we have your coach. It's for sale, it's ready for you. This coach is in amazing condition. Extremely low miles on this coach. Coach 1038 has less than 50,000 miles, everybody. It's been well maintained, it's in excellent condition. The colors in this coach are very particular, so if you're looking for a coach what a great floor plan too. Take a look at these two recliners with this very large occasional table. Storage all over below it. There's just a lot of room in this floor plan. XL2 double slide. There's going to be people that this checks a lot of boxes. Here's one of the reasons. This is a booth dinette. A lot of people love that booth dinette. Lots of room in here, but also don't forget, it extends out. Then you drop the leaf in here. And also, there's extensions for these booth seats so that you can have additional seating for people. Booth dinettes, a lot of people like them. They're also called facing dinettes, but you know how we do it. I love the tile here. Look at how this tile has held up over the years. Absolutely beautiful. Here in the galley, here's one thing that really stood out to me when I was looking at this coach. I like how this is kind of your workstation at the sink, and then you've got countertop area here. Of course, this is a burner top if you need it, but it's contoured this way and it's literally facing right back to this area. So this is also part of your galley. Lots and lots of space here. Storage above and below throughout, including a dishwasher down there. But two different features I really like that I want to highlight. John and I were talking before we went on record. I love the glassware. I was talking about the sparkle of this whole cabinet is just really, really cool. You know, Marathon doesn't do the glassware anymore. So to see a full set is becoming more and more rare. I'm just gonna straighten them all out here. It's just really a great look, and I just love it. It's really a cool thing to see it all together, and it also speaks to how this coach was maintained. Now, let's look down here. Lazy Susan. Don't call her lazy because she's putting in work. Take a look at that. I'm a big fan of that because you can fit a lot in there. Lazy Susans, that goes back to, well, I don't know. You guys tell me. Does that go back to arts and crafts? Does that go back to the Great Depression era? Anyway, I'm a big fan of that because it's smart. A lot of storage in there. Anyway, sharp carousel on the microwave convection oven. That's excellent. Sub-zero refrigerator. Freezer below. Really nice. Really nice. And the good contour of the S-curve of this floor plan. Don't forget there's pocket doors throughout so you can close this off. You can close this entire hallway off. Water closets here. Good size shower. Just a really, really nice coach. Take a look at that water closet in there. Just a really nice coach. Well maintained and a really good floor plan. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, these are big too. Look at that, John. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I guess I can count. 6 really large shelves. Good size shower, tastefully done with that backsplash, and it's got the ledge, or it's got a bench in there, whichever you need it to be. Into the bedroom. What do we got here? Oh, more shelves. Those are large. That's nice. Here we are in the bed. This is a queen size bed. So it's a queen RV. It's not a king, but what I see is area on each side. You could probably go with a larger bed if you needed to. If you needed to go with a larger bed, it could probably be altered to put it in. Good natural light, as you can see. TV over here, but you've got natural light coming in here. We have the shades down right now because we were just doing photos for the website, but you've got these Roman shades, not only behind the bed, but over here on the curb side or on the passenger side. And then it's got this huge closet in the back, which this is a really large area. And you guys know that about our XL2s of this era. Large area back here for storage. Hanger bar that kind of dog legs around. You got about 4 feet here and about 2 feet there. So a large 6-foot dog leg in the rear. Just a really nice coach, and one of the biggest things about it is it's got less than 50,000 miles, and it's a well-maintained 50,000 miles. So that's really good. This coach is a fresh consignment. So reach out to me, MALW at marathoncoach.com. That's MALW at marathoncoach.com. That's my email. Let me know if you're interested. I believe this coach is, if it doesn't sell over the next 3 weeks, is probably going to be going down to the desert. It's probably going to be going down to Indio to show off down there. Good size Corian sink. That's nice. Jackknifing sofa here on the driver's side. Yeah, just a well-maintained, really nice coach. So if you're interested, I think we should end the show, John, by going outside, taking a look one more time at that beautiful paint, because this is a really good-looking coach on the outside too. The storage underneath this huge table is really cool, because it just goes all the way, it winds all the way around behind these recliners. And if you look at those recliners, they're in excellent shape. They've been maintained so well. Really, really nice. Okay, let's go outside, and we'll close today's pre-recorded show outside. Oh, here's another thing. Let's show them this cockpit, because it really does sparkle. And I want you to see this on our website. By the time this airs, it's going to be on the website. I know that Sarah and Adam and even John have been working today to get a few coaches photographed and video taken of them. Look at that steering wheel. It's just that wood grain. If you can't have a Brougham Cadillac, you got to have the Prevost wood grain steering wheel. Look at that. All right, let's take a look. Let's walk. I mean, we're on the production floor, as you can see. Excuse me. But let's take a look around. It's got the bug guard. This is also in very good condition. It's a frosted bug guard. But as you can see, that's something that a lot of people will appreciate from this era of coach. Yeah, that's really, really nice. You can tell how well maintained, garage stored this coach is. I mean, John, take a look at this plumbing bay. It's really nice. So this coach is ready and available for sale, everybody. So if you're looking to get into a marathon of a good era, you know, they talk about the eras of coaches where the floor plans, it's a great floor plan. I think you saw that in here. Big thanks to John for hanging out with me on this Friday afternoon, and a big thanks to all of you for watching this pre-recorded episode. Next week, the following week, I will be live down in Indio. So check that out. We're going to get into some shenanigans down in the desert because we're down there to show you the best coaches in the world. Marathon Coach, as you can see, is building tons of coaches, and they're selling as fast as we can build them. And that reminds me, tons of coaches. What was that movie? Used Cars with Kurt Russell. We've got 1,000,000 miles of cars, or something like that. No, I'll tell you right now, we're as fast as we can build them, we're selling them. So if you're looking to upgrade, if you're looking to get into a coach, reach out to me, and we'll help you through that process. Be yourself and do good things, everybody. We're going to get out of here. Have a good week. Take care of yourself. All right.